Namaste Vyas. Welcome to DM Astrology. Today we are going to see importance of day. How the day is important in the Muhurt, right? So we are going to see that how the day is important in our day-to-day life also, and as per the Muhurt also how it is to be seen. See, everybody is born in certain date, but people hardly remember the day. Now onward, please remember which day you are born. That is a very important day where you have come, and that reflects some planet. So now see the days. We all know that the day as a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These all are the days we all know since our childhood. But what is the importance? The day start with the sun. Sunday. Normally people start the week from the Monday, but it should be from Sunday. In Hindu mythology, the Sunday is the first day and Saturday is the last day. Normally in the Christian calendar or in the Western calendar, they start a Monday as a working day and Sunday is the last. No, Sunday is the first. Sunday means sun, we all know, and Sunday is reflecting a sun. That day the sun rays will be more, and we all know that sunlight is how important in our life. So Sunday is a day, and that is a priority of a day, very important for everybody's life. What is the sequence of a day? The sequence of day is a Sunday. The first thing in our life priority is our soul, Sunday. Then our mind, Monday. Monday is a moon, reflecting the moon, so our mood, mind. Then our desire, Tuesday is our desire, Mars. Tuesday is a Mars, that is a desire. Then Wednesday is a Mercury, which is our intellectual level, which is our brain, which is our application of brain. When we have a soul, when we have a mood, when they two connect, it creates a desire, Tuesday. Then desire to be fulfilled by application of mind. By application of mind by Mercury, then you will have to get the growth, you will get the things, that is a Jupiter. And then you enjoy the things, that is a Friday, that is a Venus is for enjoyment. And after the enjoyment, we always try to sacrifice the things, that is a Saturday. So this is the sequence: soul, Sunday, then mind, that is Monday, moon. Then we have a desire, Mars. Then we have a Mercury, Wednesday, that is a mind, intellectual. Then we have a Thursday where it's a grow, it will come to us. Then we enjoy Friday, that is Venus. And on Saturday we give up the things, we just sacrifice the thing what we have received. So these are the sequence of the day. Now you have to see which day you born. The day you born is a good planet that you have to apply in your chart. That is why in LSRD or in KP system they say LSRD. D means the day which you born, or day which you are solving the question. So it is very important. So here we are going to see the day which you are born, what is the importance. So if you are born in Sunday, 100% your sun you have to see in the chart. Monday you have to see your moon. Tuesday you have to see your Mars. Wednesday Mercury. Thursday your Jupiter. Friday your Venus, and Saturday you have to see the Saturn. These are the very auspicious planets and auspicious days. For those who are born in the particular day, that day you have to do something special for your life, your personal life. That is the meaning of this. Now out of the day, what to be seen? See, day has a 24 hours period. Day start from the morning sunrise. As a Tithi we have to see in the sunrise, the day also we have to start from the sunrise. Right? So sunrise is a very important. One sunrise to another sunrise, exact 24 hours the day remains. At night, date only change, but day remains same only. So if you are fasting for Thursday, then your fasting will start from Thursday morning sunrise till the Friday morning sunrise has not happened. You are under the same. So that you have to be very careful that day remains with this one sunrise to another sunrise, almost 24 hours. Now, out of the day, we see the two things for the Muhurt. One is a Chogadiya and another is a Hora. What to see? Now, first we'll see the Chogadiya. See, Chogadiya is a 8 Chogadiya for a day and 8 for the night. Every Chogadiya has given one day and some specific name. Likewise, we see here that what it is given. Now, see what it is given is that when you are considering that today is Monday, suppose. So the Chogariya of every day is like for sun, it is called Udveg. Udveg means anxiety. When sun comes out, it gives a heat, and due to heat, the anxiety happens. Monday is Amrit. Amrit means nectar, which is very, very pure. So it is a nectar. So Monday, our mood should be always been very cool and very perfect, and that is a nectar. Tuesday is called Roga. We all know that Mars is a reason for the disease. So it is given a Roga, the Chogadiya. Wednesday, that is a Buddha. Mercury is given as a Labh, because our mind is always think about the gain. So it is a gain, Labha. Then for Thursday, it is a Shubha. Shubha means auspicious. So Venus, Jupiter is the only auspicious planet. So whatever you do in the Jupiter Hora Chogadiya, it is a Shubha, it will auspicious. Then Venus. For Venus, it is called Chal. Chal means to move, to travel, because Venus like a luxury and traveling. Then we have a Saturn. Last, it has a name Kala. Kal means time, because Saturn gives always in the time. So these are all the name of the Chogadiya. I'll repeat: Sun Udveg, Moon Amrit, Mars Rog, Mercury is the Labh, Jupiter is Shubha, Venus is Char, movement, traveling, and Saturn is a Kal. So this we have to see. The sequence goes like that: every day first Chogadiya will be its own. Suppose today is a Monday, then first Chogadiya will be a moon, and then you have to count sixth. From moon we count Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So Monday second Chogadiya will be Saturn, that is Kal. After the Kal, it comes as a Jupiter, because we count Saturn, then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Sixth one is a Thursday. Thursday is a Shubha. So it goes like a Monday. The first Chogadiya will be a Moon, Amrit, Saturn, Kal, Jupiter, Shubha, Mars, Rog, Sun, Udveg, then Venus, Chal, Mercury, Labh, and again 8 one will come the repeating Amrit. So first Amrit and 8 also Amrit. So this sequence goes. At the night only you have a change that you have to count fifth. So at the evening, the last Chogadiya on Monday will be the Amrit. So from Amrit you have to count 5. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So second Chogadiya of a night, first Chogadiya of a night for Monday will be Chal. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Second Chogadiya Rog. Thereafter it will come Kal, Saturn ho. Then Labh. Thereafter Udveg of Sun. Then it will be a Shubh of Jupiter. Then we have a Amrit of Moon. Then we have a Jupiter, that is a Friday, that is a Chal, and thereafter again it will come as this. So likewise it goes like this only, right? So this way it goes one after another. So this is the sequence we have to see for the Chogadiya. Another thing we have to see from the day is Hora. Hora means an hour. When we write hour, we write HR. HR is nothing but a hour, but it is a Hora, full form of a Hora. So Hora is very important, and how the Hora goes. Hora also goes 6, but that is for whole day. There is no differentiate of a day and night. It goes continuously. So if it is a Monday, then it will start with the moon. Here there is no title is given, as like a Chogadiya, moon has given Amrit, but here moon means moon. So Monday first will be the moon, then Saturn, then Jupiter, then Mars, then Sun, then Venus, then your Mercury, and again moon will come. So it will be continuously coming for all the planet till 24 hours. The Monday, the last Chogadia will be Jupiter. So after Jupiter, if you count 6, then 5th, 6 sorry, then it will come to as like a Tuesday. So that is why the morning of Monday will be the Tuesday will be the Mars Chogadia Hora. So Hora is only 666 you have to count. If today is Thursday, then it will start from Thursday. Then second will be the Mars, third will be the Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. Likewise it goes 6666 you have to count. Now it is very important for the auspicious day like a Monday. See, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday are called such as a auspicious day. You can do anything of the things you can do for these 4 days. But for the Tuesday, Saturday and Sunday, only that particular thing which allowed by that planet only you can do. You can do Monday a work related to the Mercury, Venus, Jupiter and Moon, because they 4 are auspicious, they are allowing each other. Whereas for the Mars, you can only do the pertaining to the Mars. Everybody know the Karak of all planets, so it is as per the significance of the planet you can utilize. So it is very important. Suppose some work you have to do for the Venus, but today is a Monday. How you will able to do wait for the 4 days? If you can't wait for the 4 days that you have to perform on the Wednesday, Friday, that you can do today as a Monday, and you can do the Hora when the Venus Hora will come, right? So what happen in the Monday? The first Hora will be the Moon, then second will be the Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun and Venus. So after the 6 hour to the sunrise, you can able to do the things what you have to do on the Friday. The auspicious aura, all the auspicious aura of all auspicious planet you can utilize on same day. Monday you can utilize Moon Hora, Mercury Hora, Jupiter Hora and Venus Hora. That all Hora you can utilize on the Monday. Likewise Wednesday also this 4. Moon, Mercury, Jupiter and Venus you can utilize. On Thursday also this 4 you can utilize, and on Friday also you can utilize 4 auspicious. But on the not so auspicious day, that Tuesday, Saturday and Sunday, only to utilize that related things. That we have to keep in the mind. So it is very simple to utilize the day by Hora, and Hora is a very important aspect of a Muhurt. So do utilize this and see to it that how it works. So with this day's important has gone. So the particular day you are born, that planet is very important in your life. Do particularly personal things in your life on the day you born and see the result. Do that on that Hora, see the result. Do for the Chogadia and see the result. That will be the very auspicious day. You can utilize your ascendant Lord, you can utilize your 5th Lord and you utilize your 9th Lord, and do that on particular day and see the result. I have experience, that is why I am saying do utilize this and see to it that how the result is. So this much is for the day. Do utilize it and see the result. That much I have to say. For consultation you can contact me in my website www.dm-astrology.com, or you can write to me in my email dmastrology1@gmail.com. So this will be the utilized for you. I hope that it will helpful for you. Thank you very much. Namaste.